camera. So this is EOS M100 Canon camera.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Yes, Kalimera guys. So today I'm going to unbox my new camera I bought from Public. So this is it. Ta-da! My new EOS M100 Canon camera. I'm so excited guys. I just bought it yesterday, so I can't wait to share you my new camera. So I'm going to show you my unboxing. So now we are going to open my new camera box. Where I buy this in the shop of Public, so it's already open. So this is Canon camera manual and free strap shot guys, and this is the lens. So this is the lens, interchangeable lens, camera lens. So kit din siya. This is it. So 15 to 45 mm lang siya, and with is stabilizer din siya. So this is the battery charger, and this is the cord, the rounded cord. And finally guys, the camera. So doon sa store pinalagay ko na yung camera, yung strap, kasi napakahirap niya daw ilagay, so baka di ko kayang ilagay sa bahay lang. So this is it guys. Ito yung lens niya, ito yung body ng camera. So this is the battery guys. Ay nga pala, wala siyang free SD card, so I need to buy. This is the receipt from Public guys. So here we go. We're going to assemble this guys. Okay, this is all I have. Hello guys, now I show you how to assemble this camera, and I'm very excited guys. So I already put the battery here. This is the battery compartment, and ang maganda dito guys kasi iba din ang lagayan ng memory card. So dito yung memory card niya, yan, dito yung memory card niya, tsaka dito naman yung mga saksakan kung kunwari connect mo siya sa laptop. So this is the good thing guys, it have a flip screen, touch screen, and this is very nice and simple detailed camera. So sa mga beginners, maganda siya para sa mga beginners na kagaya ko. So at maganda rin yung niya, yung quality niya. So here we go. I'm going to show you too. And this is the lens. This is 45 mm with image stabilizer na siya guys. So hindi na siya masyadong shaky if ever I go out to vlog or to film. So this is very good for vlog video. So now I'm going to connect the lens. So maganda din dito guys, interchangeable lens din siya. So kunwari gusto mong mas higher pa yung lens na gusto mong i-connect dito, pwede mo siyang palitan ng ng lens. So this is it guys, how to do it. Itong puti na to at saka yung white thing here, you just put it together like this. Ilapat mo lang, then makakarinig kayo ng click like that. Kapag marinig mo na yun, ibig sabihin connect mo siya. You have to pull it up and twist so that the lens is open already. So this is it guys. Oh my god, I can see myself in the reflection. Oh, it's so malinaw. So guys, this is it guys. Now I'm using it now, you see. So it is easy to vlog like this, guys, and to take selfies. Like me, mahilig akong mag-take ng selfies, and especially to my son, I always have a photo of him every day. Kung pwede lang buong araw na siyang i-film ko, kasi like me, first time mom, gusto ko siyang kunan ng mga pictures. So this is a good thing that we have this right now, because malapit na rin ang birthday ni Dimitri. So makakatipid na kami, guys, sa photographer, kasi ako na lang ang kukuha ng photo. So this is so nice, guys. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm so thankful to my husband. He supported me in my bisyo. Hindi naman masamang bisyo, guys. So, ito nga, although he's not always on my vlog, but I know he feel happy also if he see me happy. That's what makes me happy. That's why he buy this for me. And also, guys, mahilig din naman siya mag-take ng pictures, especially kung pupunta kami sa mga iba't ibang lugar dito sa lugar niya, lalo na pag first time namin. So we take a lot of pictures also. So ito na siya, guys. So sa next video ko, guys, I'm going to record a film about review about this outcome. Thank you for watching for my video today. So hopefully I can make more vlogs and videos of my daily life and my experience here in Greece. So thanks for watching, and hope you like it, and please give likes if you like it, and please subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next vlog, guys, and kalimera.